Chandanwadi. Located 15 kilometers from Pahalgam, the scenic spot of Chandanwadi leaves the traveler mesmerized in its beauty. Snow-capped mountains and a huge glacier in the vicinity, its beauty is awe-inspiring. This is as close as you can get to the Amarnath Yatra by vehicle. This is the starting point for the Amarnath Yatra and takes around 5 hours by road to reach from Pahalgam. Tourists can take the local tourist buses or taxis from Pahalgam. For the more adventurous hiking trip can be taken to reach the spot, and it takes almost 1 day to reach here on foot. There are many dhabas and small food joints that provide tea and snacks for yatris. Pilgrims cabs are available here. From here, the Amarnath cave is almost 30 kilometers and the distance can be covered in 3-day trek from Chandanwadi. From Chandanwadi, tourists will have to cross Pissu Top, Sheshnag and Panchtarni to finalize reach the Hol's cave with the further 6 km from Panchtarni. Pilgrims have to option to either trek to the cave or hire palanquin, pony or porters and to flow route between Chandanwadi and the Holy Cave. Besides serving as an important point for the pilgrims of the Amarnath Yatra, the region is also popular with various natural attractions. An idyllic picnic spot, Chandanwadi has also served as the backdrop for many Hindi films. The spot is reachable by road transport. Mini buses can be opted from Pahalgam. Be prepared for the weather to take sudden turn from warm to chilly breezy and rains too.